Before we start any question, we always ask ourselves what do we know and where can we begin? In this instance, we're given enough information to plot the points A, O, A1, A2, A3 and point P. From here, we can straight away draw our icon at point A. We then want to move our icon from A to A1 by translation, from A1 to A2 by axis symmetry, and from A2 and A3 by central symmetry in the point P. So let's begin our drawing. We want to move our icon from A to A1 by translation. We know in that translation all points are moved in the same distance in the same direction. So let's take our example up here. We have this point. It's moved at a set distance in the same direction. So we have our set distance. This point is moved at a set distance in the same direction, set distance, same direction, set distance in the same direction. And we then we do the exact same down here. We have A to A1 is at a set distance in a set direction, and we move all our points at the same set distance in the same set direction to get our translation from A to A1. We then want to move our icon from A1 to A2 by an axial symmetry. An axial symmetry causes an image to be flipped or making a mirrored image about its axis of reflection. All points are the same distance from the axis of reflection. So in this example here, I have two main points, 1 and 2. 1 is brought around the axis of reflection at the set distance, giving us point 1A. 2 is brought around the axis, and at the same set distance back over, we get 2A, giving us a mirrored image. We do the exact same here. So this distance is at the same set distance away. This one is at a new set distance away. This one, a new set distance again. And our last point is a new set distance again about our axis of reflection. This causes us getting a mirrored image of our icon. We know that central symmetry, any point and its image are the same distance from Z. Z is our center of symmetry. So here we have an easy rectangle for an example. I label them 1, 2 and 3. We bring point 1 through point Z and out the other side. We get this distance and we set it at the other side to find 1, 1. We then do the same to 2 at a new set distance to find 2, 1. Same to 3 at a new set distance to find 3, 1. We do the exact same to our icon. This set distance through point P or Z, which is also commonly known as our center of symmetry, and then this set distance is for this point, and then this set distance through point P or Z, and a new set distance, and then we can draw our icon through a central symmetry.